Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find TikTok Shop on PC. Alright, so let's begin. Finding the TikTok Shop on a PC can be a bit confusing since it's not directly accessible from within the TikTok app. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this process. When you're logged into your TikTok account on your computer, you'll see familiar tabs like For You, Following, Friends, Explore, and Live. However, you won't find a direct link to the TikTok Shop among these options. Instead, you need to use your web browser to access it. To get to the TikTok Shop, open your browser and search for TikTok Shop. The official website is located at shop.tiktok.com. Clicking on this link will take you to the TikTok Shop page. You'll notice that you're not automatically logged into your TikTok account here. To start using the TikTok Shop, you'll need to log in separately on this site. Just enter your TikTok credentials as you would for the main app. Once logged in, you can explore various categories, learn more about different products, and start shopping. In summary, the TikTok Shop is accessible only through its dedicated web page, not directly from your TikTok account. Remember to use shop.tiktok.com to visit the shop and log in there to access its features. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.